Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Now this video is in sponsorship with EayonHair. They sent me 3 packs of this beautiful 22-inch boho body wave tips boho dreads. Okay, like these are gorgeous. As you can see, look at the length, look at the thickness, look at the details of them. They're absolutely beautiful. And at the end, I'm actually going to have a little sit down video and just give you the things that I really liked about this hair. So keep on watching, okay? All right, y'all, so I decided to go to my sister's shop because she actually had to do my daughter's hair, so I'm gonna do my hair here. So I had washed my hair. I am 9 months post big chop, so this is just a natural little blowout. Keep it nice and stretched, and I'm just gonna create these little plaits around the perimeter of my head. I'm gonna do about 2 rows in the front and 1 row in the back. And again, y'all, I am gonna have a sit down video and tell you about these dreads, y'all. They're absolutely gorgeous. However, I did find that the loops were a little tighter to actually maneuver through, so I had to kind of pull them and kind of loosen the hoops so I can actually get it installed around the perimeter, and you'll see that, so just stay tuned. So you can see this is kind of like the braid pattern I did. Don't mind my dookie braids. Look, this is just me, okay? I got 1 row in the back, 2 in the front, and then we're gonna go ahead and get these installed. So if you guys are interested in this hair, all the information will be down below. This is in a natural black. Love it, and my hair is a number 1, so I think it matched pretty well. So go ahead and keep on watching, and then we'll have a chit chat at the end about this hair.
Y'all, so it's been a couple of days later. Hey,
How y'all doing? So we're just going to talk about a couple details about this hair. Again, this is EayonHair. As you can see, we did the crochet method and we did the little boxes around the perimeter at my sister's shop. So a little bit about the hair. Things that I really love is that the body wave texture is gorgeous. Like, let's get into this. I haven't even had to put any real product on it. I think I put mousse on it the first day, and then lately I just been using water, and I love the body wave. Like, it's so beautiful. It's very lightweight, which I love that. Now, they did send me 22 inches and they sent me 3 packs, which each pack has 24 pieces. Okay, so I did use all 72 pieces. Okay, now something to think about is that when I did 2 rows in the front and a row in the back, it came to about 20 boxes. So 20 of those were in the parameter. And then we used the rest of them to actually go in and fill the back, which are just like kind of cornrows. I will say a couple of things that I noticed, which I actually seen another video on this hair too, and I 100% agree. The hair is absolutely beautiful, but the loops are tighter, so you're gonna have to pull down a little bit just to open up the loop, just to get it in there. Now, but again, yeah, you don't want to open it up too much if you're looking to reuse these dreads, but the boho dreads are absolutely gorgeous. I definitely can't complain about that. I do also recommend you get a 4th pack. So 72, it's a pretty good amount, but when you get in this middle, like, there are gaps here where I can actually go in and add more hair. Like, we need a little bit more. So I think 4 packs would be like the perfect sweet spot to get a full head if you're looking to do like the boxes, like on the outside or the perimeter of the hair, and then you fill it in with the cornrows, like you fill in the cornrows going forward. So again, this is 22 inches. The hair is so pretty. Like, the hair is gorgeous. Like when it comes to boho locks, this is the look that I'm actually gonna go for. Like, I love the effortless, the Lisa Bonet. Like, I just love that style. You guys already know this is right up my alley. So the only thing I would say is to get another pack. If you can get 4 packs, get 4 packs, and then just be mindful of the loops, because again, they are very tight and you need to loosen them up a little bit just to be able to crochet it in there. So I did go ahead and crochet the parameter of my head, and then so it looks like more like individuals, and then I have my cornrows here and I just kind of filled them in wherever I could. So overall, this is great hair. Love the hair. Absolutely would recommend it 100%. If you guys are interested in this hair, all the information will be down below in the description box with the discount code, of course. And yeah, let me know, comment down below, let me know if you've tried this hair, any other techniques that you guys use to actually install these. And these are definitely reusable. The width is perfect. It's not too thick, it's not too small. It's just a perfect size. Only thing, like I said, just get 4 packs, because girl, I got a big head, and I know a lot of y'all got big heads, so definitely get a 4th pack. So yeah, I really enjoyed filming this video. EayonHair, thank you again for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.